Alright, Alter Component. What did you send me, man? What is in this box? Let's see. Oh. Oh my god. You sent me a Funko Pop and a lovely letter. Dude, thank you. And you sent me your sticker and also, oh, look at this. Look at this sticker. Look, that's really nice. Is this a magnet? What's this? Keychain. Nice. Thank you, man. Alta Component buddy, thank you so much. Everyone, go subscribe to Mr. Alta Component. He's actually doing a giveaway right now on his channel, and let me read this love note here. Just let me make sure there's nothing incriminating. Okay. Alright, Alta Component says, it's a great day to be a miner. Hey RPM, I just wanted to say I appreciate you and all you do for the mining community, as well as the help you have given me along the way. Here is a little Christmas cheer, a few swag items, RGB knife, engage, Alta Component, bro. Thank you so much. Sorry I opened this after Christmas, man. Dude, thank you for the Funko Pop. I remember you sent me another Funko Pop as well, and the Red Panda figurine. That was really cool. Thank you so much, man. Okay, bros, I wanted to make a video talking about all my GPUs that I'm currently mining with right now. Well, mainly my RTX 3070s. So I have 10 of the Octominer X8 Ultras that are mining now. They all have 3070s. Also these X8 Ultras at the bottom, except for 2 of them because I still have 2 dead motherboards that I need to fix. But otherwise, these are all mining Zealous right now. I was predominantly on ALEO, but I recently switched off and I'm gonna explain why. And then as well, I have all my 6600 XT GPUs, which are still mining to their respective coins. I'm doing the long-term test still of mining like Flux, Ravencoin, Dynex, Ergo, and a few other ones that I'm doing this long-term mine and hodl test with these 6600 XTs. I love these GPUs. I wish I could get some more and build more of these types of rigs. I just love how efficient they are. But I'll update you all the amount of yield that we have mined thus far with all of these GPUs since October 8th of 2023. So it's definitely been more than a year mining with these GPUs, but have we gotten our initial investment back? Not yet, because a lot of these coins have not appreciated. But anyways, this video is about the 3070s that I'm currently mining with and also my other GPU mining farms. So I just wanted to explain my switch over here and also show you my settings for these 3070s right after a word from today's video sponsor. Looking to earn profitably during your crypto mining journey? Look no further than asicmarketplace.com, where they sell all the latest crypto miners and provide fast shipping service. At asicmarketplace.com, the price you see is the price you pay. Shipping and DDP right to your door are included, no surprises at checkout. Pay your way with secure options like direct bank transfer or crypto payments like Bitcoin, USDT, or even Caspa. Ready to save even more? Use code RPM at checkout and get $100 off each ASIC order. Join the asicmarketplace.com community today and mine smarter, not harder. Links down below. Okay, so here is my Hive OS right now for all the RTX 3070s. As you guys can see, they are all mining Zealous right now. So I've switched them over about 4 days ago, and it is January 14th as of recording this video. So around January 10th, I switched over to Zealous and I stopped mining ALEO. And here's my other farm that is mining Zealous as well. So I'm all in on Zealous right now. But you guys may be asking, Red Panda, why did you stop mining ALEO? Well, ALEO's price has been going down quite a bit over the past, I'd say 7 days. Well, actually over the past pretty much the past month. It's just been going down and down and down. And recently, we saw in a live stream around January 9th, we're not sure if this NT miner pool was new or not, but there was about a good 32 gigahash that went online. So I was at least making 10 or 15 cents per 3070 mining ALEO like 5 days ago. And now if you go to like hashrate.no, the profitability for, you know, like a typical 3070, ALEO mining is not breaking even at my 8 cents per kilowatt hour. Okay, I have cheap electric, that's why I can mine. So now it's down to 3 cents. So I'm not sure if this ntminerpool.com is because of a massive amount of ASICs that are coming online here, as well as we saw Antpool also have a rise in hash rate since the beginning of January. We saw that earlier in a live stream a couple days ago. So I'm not sure if there are ASICs coming on to ALEO now, and that's why the difficulty has also been going up, or it doesn't really show here, but the profitability has been going down, and double whammy is the price has been going down as well. So I have been stopping mining ALEO, and I've already, just to show you guys, just being transparent, I've already accumulated about almost 2,500 ALEO. So I think this is my good hodl bag, and if ALEO decides to go up in price, then so be it. That's going to be great. And if there's going to be an announcement of a Bitmain ASIC or something, then I'll be okay with that. Okay, if ALEO decides to pump because Bitmain's going to pump because of an ASIC that's coming out real soon, I don't know. So we will find out. So that's why I switched everything now to Zealous. Okay, Zealous is a coin now which I think is fundamentally a strong coin to mine, especially for GPU miners. I know, I think it was half a year ago that Zealous changed their algorithm so that, ASICs and FPGAs can't mine Zealous. So yeah, this happened back in June 2024. So yeah, they had a hard fork, which they went from Zealous hash to Zealous hash v2. And so for the past half year, mining Zealous on GPUs has been pretty good, right? On these, especially NVIDIA GPUs and even some AMD GPUs, which now there's a few mining software that supports Zealous on AMD GPUs, which recently I just moved my Radeon 7s over to Zealous, and they're quite amazing. They're really efficient on mining Zealous. So yeah, I've moved over all my GPUs to Zealous, and just to show you my 3070 overclocks, just to show you guys, these are the overclocks I'm using. Let me know down below if you guys have any more efficient numbers, better overclock settings. Let me know in the comments. I'm sure a lot of people like to read the comments, get better efficient numbers. Let me know down below, what numbers you guys get. Okay, so this is what I'm getting, and it ranges, some Silicon Lottery, of course, and yeah, my 3070s seem to do pretty well on Zealous. The whole rig of 8 3070s is using about 779 watts. Okay, so yeah, just put it down below if you guys are mining Zealous right now. But yeah, for me, mining Zealous on a 3070, I mean, I'm not making a lot, but it is a bit more than mining ALEO. And I know Zealous's price has been also coming down over the past month as well. But I'm going to be stacking Zealous now because I feel that Zealous is going to probably have a decent rise up here. Not financial advice, of course, but that's what I'm going to be spec mining here probably for the next month or so until maybe something else comes out that's better. But I think Zealous is a strong project. A lot of people seem to like this project. So I'm probably going to stay on Zealous for the whole month. And, in a month or so, for this whole month of January, I'll let you guys know how much Zealous we have mined. And yeah, I think so far I've mined about $200 worth, or 36 Zealous. I'm mining about, I think, 10 or 11 Zealous a day. Across all the GPUs I have mining Zealous right now across my 2 farms. So I think it's pretty good. Now, just to reiterate, my electrical cost here where I'm mining is around 7 to 8 cents. So I'm still positive mining Zealous. Okay, it's nothing great, but this is per 3070 right now. Okay, so if I equate all my 3070s, for instance, which I have about 96 online. Okay, so if I put 96 in here in hashrate.no, okay, it shows that for Zealous, okay, I'm actually about making $5.65 over my 8 cents electrical. Now, this is the number that hashrate.no has. So one thing I want to try is I'm going to go to the calculator and put in my exact numbers, and I want to compare. Okay, so if I go to hashrate.no, I'm all my 3070s, which are all in octaminers, so they show the true power at the wall, right? 773 watts, okay? And, or you guys can see on the side here, for all my 3070 octaminers here. So combined, I'm using 9.268 kilowatts, or 9,268 watts. But with hashrate.no, they say with, 96 3070s, I'd be using over 10,665 watts. So I'm definitely using a lot less. But what about the hash rate I'm getting combined all of them? So hash rate I'm using is 2.615 mega hash, and hashrate.no says 2.685. Okay, so let's put in the number. Let's see if I'm going to get any better than what hashrate.no says if I put it directly into the calculator. So I'm getting 2 2615. I'd say 2615 kilohash. And then the power consumption is 9268, okay, watts. So we'll put that in here, 9268 watts. So at my 8-cent kilowatt hour, with my exact settings, exact numbers, I'm actually profiting $7.63, okay? It's always better to put in the numbers than what, you know, if you're going to the typical, these are just the general average numbers. When you click on GPUs on hashrate.no, it just shows you the general numbers. But so if you overclock your GPUs right, and you put in the actual numbers that you get in the calculator, you can see that I'm actually doing a lot better than what was, you know, the general numbers on hashrate.no had versus, you know, putting it into the actual calculator, my actual numbers. So yeah, I thought I would stress, you know, showing this example because it always helps to put in your numbers, and also depending on your overclocks and what efficiency you can get. Hashrate.no doesn't have the best, you know, general overclock settings. I mean, they do, but it's not really updated, I'd say, to the, you know, popular overclock settings that a lot of people use. But anyways, guys, I thought I would just do that and just tell you guys what I'm mining now. Mid-December, it's January 14th, 2025. Brand new year, and I'm predominantly on Zealous with a lot of these. I mean, my other farm, the other tower rigs, I told you I'm mining different coins here for, you know, spec mining long term, and my barn, I am going to be getting up here real soon with the CMP 100 210. So a lot of content to come on GPU mining, guys. I'm bullish on GPU mining, and we'll see where it goes. Okay, so I'll see you all in the next video. Let me know your thoughts. Have a good one. Let me know what you're mining. And peace out. Peace out.